Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss on how we can add additional values to the selection fields in Odoo 16. So as you can see, this is my custom module and I've already installed it. And let me go to one of the module here, that is the employees module. And you can see the records in the Kanban view. And if you click on one of the record, you can go to the form view, and here you have the private information. And as you can see here, there's a field called certificate level. So once you enable the debugging mode, you can see other details regarding the field. So this here you can see the field name, the model to which this field belongs to, and the type of the field. So now in this video I'll be showing you how to add the values or the additional values to the selection field that already exists in Odoo. So here you can see there are total 5 values. So I'll be adding one of the value from here. For that, let me go to the backend view. So I'll be going to the backend view. As you, as you can see here that the field belongs to hr.employee. So I have inherited the model from here. So this is the model that I've inherited. And here I have given the field name, that is certificate, and I have added, as you can see here, I have given here the value and the string that is to be displayed in the front end view. And also I have added a attribute on delete to my field for the field here, as I have given here. So in order to give an additional value to the selection field, you need to use the selection add. So let me now show you the value that I've added in the front end view. So once you run the code from the backend, you need to upgrade the module as you have given the new value in the Python file of your custom module. So you need to upgrade the custom module. So let me upgrade the custom module. So once I've upgraded the custom module, if you go to the employees module here, and if you click on one of the record and go to the private informations and check for the field where you have added the selection value, you can see the value that you have added is added with the already existing selection values. So as you can see, the undergraduate string here, that is the value that is displayed here. You can see the value that is displayed with the already existing selection field. So this is how you give the additional values to the selection field in Odoo 16. That's all for today. Thank you.